Hi guys and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to put your SIM card into Samsung Galaxy J6, and the method is the same for J4 and J8, so let's do it. So first you need to look into your box for this pin, and after you find it, just insert this pin into the first slot. We have two slots, here is the first, here is the second. And now let's put into the hole and push it like this, and remove the slot. Okay, and here we'll put the first SIM card. You will need a nano SIM, and this is the right position. Okay, like this. And now let's put the slot into the phone, like this. And now let's remove the second slot. Again, just put the pin into the hole and push it like this. And here you can put the second SIM, and here the memory SD card. Okay, and now let's put the second SIM like this. This is the right position, and just put the slot into your phone, and now you can power on your phone. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.